Did your Subaru Forester's AC suddenly stop working? Don't sweat it. Literally, here's what could be going on under the hood. First up, low refrigerant. This is the most common reason for weak or warm air. Over time, tiny leaks can cause the system to lose its cooling power. Next, check your cabin air filter. If it's clogged with dust and debris, it can block cool air from reaching you. A quick replacement can make a big difference. Another culprit? A bad AC compressor. This is the part that keeps the cold air flowing. If it fails, you'll only get hot air, no matter what setting you use. Don't forget the AC condenser. If it's blocked by leaves or damaged by a rock, cooling can stop completely. Finally, faulty electrical parts, like a blown fuse or bad relay, can stop your AC from turning on at all. These are usually cheap and easy to fix. If your Forester's AC is acting up, start with these basics. And if you're not sure, it's always smart to visit a trusted mechanic. That way, you'll stay cool, no matter how hot it gets outside.